Question number 6. A nuclear particle has an energy of 10 power 8 electron volt. Okay, so energy is given. A grain of sand of mass 32 milligrams. Mg means milligrams. Okay, so therefore mass is given as 32 milligrams, which should be 32 into 10 to the power of minus 3 for milli, multiplied by grams, it is 10 power minus 3 kg. Okay, so what is the final answer? We'll write down here 32 into 10 to the power of minus 6 kg. Okay, then what speed must the grain of sand must have for its kinetic energy to equal to the energy of the sand particle? So what you should do is you should equate kinetic energy of the particle to this 10 power 8 electron volt. So what is the kinetic energy? Half mv square. What is m here? This should be 32 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into v square. He is asking you to find out the velocity. So you need to find the value of v, which should be 10 power 8 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Now rest of the calculations. V square should be equal to 1.6, and this 2 goes upwards, into 2 into 10 to the power of 8 minus 19 should be minus 11, divided by, this should be 32 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So if I solve this, this becomes 3.2 times 10 sir. So 10 here, so this will become 10 power minus 11 divided by 10 power 10 into 10 power minus 6 is 10 power minus 5. So finally this becomes 10 to the power of minus 6 over here, right? So v should be equal to square root of 10 power minus 6, which gives you 10 power minus 3, or this is 1 millimeter per second. This is 10 power minus 3 meter per second, 1 millimeter per second. So answer is A.